This problem is not too difficult, but it is an interesting one. Here, white must play this. That's pretty obvious because if white plays anywhere else, black will be able to make a living shape, and this will not be a capture race anymore because black is already alive. So white must stand down here, and black doesn't have a choice either. Black must capture these two white stones. And now it doesn't seem very promising for white. I taught you to occupy the outside liberties first. And if you follow my advice in one of my first lessons in the capture race chapter, then you will fail because this will be a one real eye versus no eye situation. So white will fail this way. So actually white's number 3 should play on the inside. And this is one of the exceptions to the rule, really. Now white can succeed. If black plays here, then this is a 3 liberties versus 2 liberties situation. And white will succeed very easily. If black plays on the outside, what white can do is play this. This is a cutting point, and that's why it's so important. Right? Black cannot play on the outside. White can capture. Black must do this, but still, now white can come in here or here. And if black captures, white can win this way. If black doesn't capture, then white can win this way. So it's actually a really interesting pattern because white must play on the inside in order to win, not on the outside. And overall, it's not very difficult, right? Number 1, number 2, this exchange is a given. And in this situation, you should figure out that occupying the outside liberty doesn't really work, and that the only way to go is to play this. Thank you for watching.